yes. Yes. Oh, yes.
No, I'm not.
Why? Because you want to record this.
Yeah, I can't believe you just did that.
Huh? Nothing.
He's not letting me take a picture. No, I'm not.
You placed it right there in the wrong place.
Stop laughing. I saw your face. What are you trying to do?
So taking my coffee, then spit it.
He cares about his coffee more than you, Freddie. Did you hear that? I love the drama here. That's just gonna record it.
Why are you laughing, man? This is a serious situation. It's about us and you're laughing. These 2 months and you're laughing about it like nothing matters. What?
Take one.
Oh, now you know she's recording.
Hey, we can watch this later and laugh. I just wanted to be serious for once in one of your little spats.
So you can put it on YouTube now.
I'm not gonna put. I don't even put shit on YouTube.
No, what I saw that. You put stuff on YouTube? I put stuff on YouTube.
I don't put shit on YouTube.
Stuff not
The last thing I put
involving
was my nephew was like a year ago. Put your hand down. I don't put shit on YouTube.
stuff involving me and that one that.
The music.
Hey, man, that's what I'm pointing it out.
Done. Done. And I went back and forth with it.
Where's that guy? Where's that guy going?
And you're drinking something cold.
No, but I need air.
It's outside? It's outside? You go outside or no? You sit down outside. You sit down outside. Who's out there? You sit down. I've been telling you this whole time. You're here after the show. You're fucking good. Oh, they're hot, man. You came out here, put it next to mine.
Close it like this so I can.
Put mine on top of yours, but the warmness would probably like warm you. Fuck, shit's cold.
It's not even 30 minutes.
I'll pour some in there. Pour some in there. So I can realize I put my fluids inside of it.
No,
I can realize.
Stop the camera.